Namaskar and namaste, everybody out there. Are you ready to have a rocking time with us in your favorite show, Talent Hunt? Yes, Ragini is back, and it is Monday. It is 8:30, and I know that you have done whatever you were supposed to do, and you were really waiting for us. And you're thinking that, okay, who is there? Because Ragini promised that somebody from Mumbai is going to join tonight. Yes, we are right, and he is right here with us. But you know what? Tonight, I thought that I'm gonna start the show a little different way, not with the like regular. I thought that why not? I ask Mahesh Jaraman, who is from Mumbai and who is right here with us right now in Talent Hunt with us. I really want to start this conversation with that with the inspiration and the happy moments that he want to cherish with all of you, because I think that the happy moments are those that you want to live for, you want to think again, you want to rethink again, and you want to have those moments with you forever. So I want to welcome Mahesh, and I want to ask him that please, if you can share few of your happy moments with my viewers.
Of course, I think happy moments are many. To pick and choose, few of them would be going to be very difficult because one of the most happiest moment of me was in school, where everybody would look forward for me to come up on stage and sing. Second moment was when there was a school farewell and I performed for the teachers and I gave a speech and everybody cried. I had sung, I gave a speech and I had concluded my speech with जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज तो हम है यही हम थे जहाँ अपने यही दोनों जहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. So Raj Kapoor just moved me with this particular song. So I was like in 10th standard, and of course I have. Of course I'm listening to it after a long time. So in the sense I was in 10th standard for my 90s or something, late 90s. So, but still, that's what the essence of a song is. It's a 69 ka song, 68 ka song, and it's still relevant and been loved in the 90s, late 90s, in fact. These days, we're not even remembering something which is made 2 years before, 2 years, from now. Or forget about 2 years, even 2 months from now, things are being made and people are forgetting. So such is some fantastic, old is gold is something that we say, and this is the inspiration. Mr. Raj Kapoor would always say the show must go on. So yes, be it pandemic, be it any kind of anything, the show must go on, whatever be your state of mind, your health. If you're dedicated to particular your source, you're dedicated to your craft, you're devoted to your work is your worship, the show will go on. That moved me. I sang, teachers were crying, everybody was crying in the auditorium, and my father was also there in the auditorium. He was looking at me and he could not believe that, okay, my son could do something like this, and which always kept it was always in his memory throughout whatever that particular thing had happened. So that's something, so these are some beautiful moments that, and this was of course school, and then when you went on to college, when I had my first performance in Shanmugananda Auditorium, and Shanmugananda Auditorium was a huge auditorium, and it's a prestigious place to perform. Shanmugananda Auditorium. In fact, we had just performed after recently. There were some renovations, or it had got fire or something. It had got fire, and recently it got renovated, and I had got the opportunity to sing there. That's a fantastic moment. While I was in college, I performed for a lot of reality shows like your Starya Kalakar in Sony, Kuch Kehti Hai Ye Dhun, and a show in Star Plus, and then Antakshari, Annu Kapoor Antakshari in ZTV. Then I was also a part of. I had reached till quarterfinals of Saregama. Shan was the anchor at that point in time. It was a college campus special. So all these things have been really fantastic, wonderful, happy moments in my life. And of course, then things when I moved into corporate, and then I came back and started professionally singing, and doing a lot of commercial singing. One of the fantastic moments have been me performing and me working with Clinton Cerejo, who's is a great associations with A.R. Rahman, and Clinton Cerejo has a fantastic work profile and the kind of songs that he's done. Dhruv Ganekar, with whom I've worked for his songs that I've sung, jingles that I've sung for, and I've sung with what's her name? The singer who sang 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. I have also sung with the singer called Hamsika Iyer, who is the singer of 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. Also, she sung the Ravan song, Kaisa Sharmana Ja Nach Ke Dekha. So I've sung with such huge stalwarts. And so these have been really happy moments in my life. Here, really fantastic moments in my life. So the viral video which happened, that's a fantastic moment. At this point in time, I'm having a fantastic, super conversation with you and your huge global audience of this particular channel. Is a happy moment for me. So I think I live in the moment and I make the best of it out of it, because चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है बस वही सब से हंसी है, उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
जो है समा कल हो न हो, कल हो ना हो, yes, ये समा आए या ना आए, आज ये है. So I'm listening and learning so many things in this time that we all want to leave right now, right this moment, isn't it? And I feel like that this song is so appropriate, and I love this song. I love this song, and thank you so much, Mahesh, for singing this such a fantastic song for my viewers and of course for me. But in this case, I want to know that what are your hobbies? I mean, what do you love to do?
Well, other hobby bole to, yeah, I mean, like, I think cooking has been my hobby, but I think post pandemic it's become a serious need of the hour, because you just can't try and indulge in outside food, and you have to make your own food. And since I'm not living with my family, I'm living at another place, not very far, but then still I'm living on my own. So food is definitely a great factor which you need to get it sorted for your day-to-day livelihood, and hence I think that particular hobby has become very constant thing in my life. So I've started cooking. So yes, cooking has really developed a lot of my senses in terms of understanding a lot of things. It's cooking is a great science, and it's the most important aspect of your life, because if you eat healthy, you are healthy. You speak healthy, you think healthy, you be healthy, you sing, and also everything is dependent on the right food, the good food that you're having. So yeah, cooking it's been a great hobby. Apart from that, I like to go on a drive or something, like want to be a part of the drive, just travel around. Of course, you can't travel much, but yeah, I like traveling. If you ask me, I like traveling. That's a hobby. And meeting new people, talking to new people. I would really love to talk to a stranger whom I completely don't know at all. So that's something really intrigues me, makes me interesting in terms of to know what that person is and how he is, and observe that person. There are so many things that we can probably discover from the other aspect of from the person in front of you and whom you don't know, because you just do not think from a perspective, or you don't come from a conditioned mind. You're completely unconditioned, and you're just completely fresh in terms of thinking towards something. So yeah, really meeting and talking to strangers whom you don't know, something really interesting for me.
भाई तो खाना गाना घूमना मिलना, you see, सारी चीजें भाई fantastic. I want to I really want to ask you this, that who is your like favorite singer, and why don't you sing something for my viewers, because this is something for you and my viewers to get the connection, the bonding, and of course you are a singer, so I want you to sing more, so please.
Awesome. My favorite singers have been, there's a huge list. So if you ask me, right from right from Sehgal, KL Sehgal, to Mohammad Rafi, to Sonu Nigam, to S.P. Balasubramaniam, to Shankar Mahadevan, A.R. Rahman, Sukhwinder Singh, Shan, Arijit Singh. So many, they're fantastic singers. And Lata Mangeshkar ji, Asha Mangeshkar ji, Asha Tai ji, Usha Mangeshkar ji, wonderful singers to learn from. Classical singers like Bhim Singh Joshi ji, Manna De ji, Jagjit Singh ji, so many. I mean, it's like world is huge to learn. Yeah, I would want to sing something. I would want to sing an original song written, composed, and sung by me, which will be soon in most of the digital platforms. It's called Suhana Jahan, keeping in mind of the mood of the present scenario that we are in. We all are looking for a new world, a good world, a peaceful world. So that's the motivation for this song. खुशबू भरी रातें हो खुला आसमां, फूलों से खिली राहें हो, मन में नए अरमां, खुशबू भरी रातें हो खुला आसमां, रंग उमंग की बातें हो, मन में नए अरमां, एक तलाश है साथी, एक प्यारा सपना, आ ढूंढे मिलके एक ऐसा सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां। दरररन जिसे चाहे ये दिल हमें पाना है यहाँ, ररररन जिसे चाहे ये दिल हमें पाना है यहाँ, सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां। ए चलते जाए हम, झेले आंधी तूफान, झोंके ना रुक पाए हमारा ये कारवां, चलते जाए हम, झेले आंधी तूफान, रोके ना रुक पाए हमारा ये कारवां, एक तलाश है साथी, एक प्यारा सपना, आ ढूंढे मिलके ऐसा सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां, सुहाना जहां. So yeah, that's the song Suhana Jahan. Whenever it's released, please do watch it. Please do download it into your digital platforms, from your digital platforms, and make it to your playlist. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much for singing Suhana Jahan. I hope my viewers loved it. And who is your favorite composer? And what else have you done, like composing songs? I mean, yeah, I would love to know that.
Yes, of course. As I just right now sang, Suhana Jahan is my composition, written, composed, and sung by me. And there are few other things which are coming up and which we are working on. And very soon I will share that with all your viewers and audiences and everybody. And there's one song which is based on Rag Des, and we're trying to do. It's a classical bandish in Rag Des, and from the Gwalior Gharana, which I learned from my Guruji, and which we are trying to fuse. It's his composition, of course, but we're trying to. I'm composing it in a little bit of fusion style, and to suit to today's generation, wherein everybody likes it, be it kid or be it an adult, and everybody for that matter. So some modern music, an arrangement to an old bandish on Rag Des. The khayal or the bandish goes like this. सावन बरसे जिया ललचाए, सावन बरसे जिया ललचाए, खेलन पिया सोजो रंग रसीले, सावन बरसे जिया ललचाए, खेलन पिया सोजो रंग रसीले, सावन बरसे रैन अंधेरी मेघा बरसे, गान गुणी जिया तरसे, रैन अंधेरी मेघा, रैन अंधेरी मेघा बरसे, गान गुणी जियात तरसे, खेलन गान रंग रस होरी सावन बरसे. It's actually raining outside, so it just came to our mind. So yeah.
My friends, I told you that we're gonna make this episode a little different. So our conversation will be a little different, and that's what I'm trying my best to do. Uh, I want to ask Mahesh that how many languages, Mahesh, you can speak? And do you think that the language, like this diversity, is really helpful for any vocalist or musicians?
Absolutely. Absolutely. This is a beautiful question actually from your side, Ragini. Fantastic question. And it's one of the things that has helped me to grow as a personal, as an individual, as a musician, as an artist, as a singer, to understand so many languages, the nuances of those languages, the sounds of those languages, the tone of those languages, so many things, the culture of that language. Voice also has a culture of that language. So it's a huge diversity, and there is always unity in diversity. If you're able to be in union with that diversity, it really works wonders with you. Since I come from a South Indian background, I come from Tamil Nadu, so hence I speak Tamil, but also the fact that the nearby languages, that is Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, is what I also try and pick up, grasp and sing. Of course, with the help of the supervisor who directs me. So that's 4 languages, and then in the east, if you're saying Odia, Asmi, Bengali, Bhojpuri, these are the languages I pick up and I sing. And also because we've been in Maharashtra, Marathi, Gujarati, you have a little bit of north if you go, Punjabi, Hindi, Urdu. All these languages have been, so I think over 12 languages, in fact, if you just see, that I have been singing for commercials, advertising across digital, radio and television space. And right now the OTT platform, and hopefully, in fact I've sung for a couple of films. It's not yet out, so hopefully things will work in that area also. But right now I think digital is a space where things are growing, and that's the space that people are being recognized, and I'm very happy to be a part of that space. And so yeah, I mean, in terms of languages that you spoke, if you really learn from all these things, and because for whatever reasons I've been able to grasp things, and it's been really very helpful for me to hold my ground in this industry.
Guys, we have to go, but I promise you that we will be back again with Mahesh and with, of course, his singing. And we're going to chat again next week with him, because this conversation is not done yet. And I want you to really have fun, have fun with it. So stay tuned and stay with us. Do not miss next week, because I'm going to be back again with Mahesh in part 2 of this episode of Talent Hunt. Stay blessed, stay well, love me, and stay with me. Mwah.
Thank you. Once again, thank you so much for inviting me, Ragini, onto your show. And it's so fantastic that you actually making this particular interview as a 2-part series. So at the end of the part 1, really, it's really been a great, fantastic time spending with you, conversing with you. Look forward for the second one. So see you guys. Take care. Stay home, stay safe, and be happy. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.